is the beginnings of the blacksmithing street, called Blacksmith Street. Very narrow little alley, maybe called Blacksmith Alley. So I'm just going to walk up here, and I won't talk too much. I'll just let you kind of see businesses here and there. There's one blacksmith right up here on the left. Not every business is related to metalworking. The blacksmith right here. Right, yeah. Alright, moving on. Shop. This is crazy, man. Everything is here. Another guy doing some machining. Selling a bunch of things there. Springs. This place sells bolts right there. Guys got their press brakes, cutting sheets of different material. This guy's a welder at a machinist shop. Look at this. I mean, it's hard to see with this car in front, but you just can't believe how much equipment they've gotten here. This guy is the machinist that I use. He helps me make different things. He's a little bit of a rough fellow, that guy. This street just continues on. Got a bunch of hoists. Bunch of stuff here. He's got a few motors. I'm sorry if I'm moving a little quick. I'll probably come here again. I'll come here again probably soon and make another video. I'm here every week, so I'm in a little bit of a rush today. It's a pretty good hardware store right here. Another one here that sells kind of a miscellaneous shop here. Casters and different pulley wheels. I'm only walking along the main street, which is pretty narrow, and the side alleys, which are even smaller, have loads of stuff. This guy sells tubing, tubes and pipes. I didn't show you the shop back there. There's a shop in the back there that sells just stainless steel, all different kinds of stainless. Gears. Sell all sorts of gearing, gear wheels. This guy up ahead here sells second-hand tools. blowers and stuff like that. You know, he's got just a few things in his shop, huh? Gotta make sure I don't get killed over here by traffic. This shop over here sells brass. Right there, turn back. I'll walk down one of these side alleys real quick. This one here I'm familiar with because there's a guy who's a good welder that works down here. This guy sells larger size steel. I've heard that he has a lot of specialty steel. I don't use him, but I probably should. Another machinist shop. This guy right here is actually a really good welder. Older dude. He welds all kinds of things. Well, what the heck, I might as well just keep walking. Just basically on either side of every alley here, there's something to do with its metal-related work. Some of these shops, you just can't believe how they got the equipment inside. It's almost like that they airlifted it in. I don't know what this guy's doing here. I'm going to try to walk past. There's a little tiny shop that does engraving. And I had them actually engrave my touch mark and did a really great job. I got to try to get past this guy. I'll sneak by here. This ain't no joke, man. Well, I'll walk down this alley here. All roads lead somewhere. Let me step up the pace. Every shop seems to specialize in one kind of machining. Here it is right here. This place is actually the engraving shop. Oh, 你好，我在拍给我美国朋友看，他们对这里有兴趣了。Oh, that's a real nice guy. I don't want to bother him right now. Let's head back out, and then we'll end up at this one other blacksmith that's here. They're not too friendly, the folks there, but we'll just pass by their shop, take a quick peek. Look at this, look at the size of this guy's shop. It's about like 3 feet square. That's all you need. Not sure what's going on in there. Heading straight out this way is more towards the main road. So now this is the road we just walked on. We started from back there. Guess she doesn't want to be filmed. Too late for that. This guy right here, better just walk past quick. Got a big handle. Well, that's it for now. I'll talk to you later.